Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm just checking in on the guys on one of the projects that we're doing for a couple that lives in their unit full time. As you can see, they've got the Lippert red anti-lock brake axles, and we're just installing the Dexter EZ-Flex kit. Now you might say, hey, those shackles aren't on right. Well, that's because there's no weight on it. So once they get the weight, they'll shift the coach and get the shackle links repositioned in the correct spot. But other than that, everything is going nice and smoothly. So I just wanted to do a quick video and catch it overall of the coach. So it's a Grand Design Imagine, and it is a 2500 RL, and it's the rear living. And so overall, it's a really nice looking unit. I'm gonna come back out here later as soon as the guys are off break, once they get it back down on the ground, and I'll do a free exterior evaluation on it for them as well. And we will go from there. So thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't joined our Grand Design RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin, we encourage you to do so. I think we're close to 50,000 members. We're catching up there. And so that's where we ask you to share, any improvements, upgrades, repairs, things that you guys are doing to it. And it helps us and other repair shops, and also helps the manufacturer as well. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. So it's Dustin, RV Specialist. And you can see our other videos on the Dexter EZ-Flex kit and what it does, the improvements. So just, didn't want to go into too much detail on it, but we wanted to throw a video out there for the consumer so they could see it. Thanks again, and we appreciate the business. Have a great day.